Hey beautiful family, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another vlog. We are starting off this vlog by getting ready to go to Graceful Park Church. As usual with the girls, Kimby, Nicole, Shama, and we're supposed to be leaving around 7:30 a.m. I woke up 10 to 15 minutes earlier than usual to get ready for that. I usually wake up around 6 a.m. and get about my day and my business, but today I just wanted to make sure that I get ready without getting rushed. And I know that my content feels like it's not just about going to church, but hey, this is what's happening in my life at the moment. So we're gonna start off with the church vlog and then we'll see what else comes up in the vlog. I'm just gonna be real, authentic, and natural. I've already taken a bath and now I just want to look for an outfit. I'm just gonna rummage through my closet, get something decent to wear, go grab some breakfast, come back to the last minute preparations and hit the road. Let's get it, let's have fun and let's grow spiritually. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and share if you care. I like that speak.
So us as missionaries, we are proud of calling ourselves missionaries, right? So us as missionaries, if you are called to go in, therefore, and to teach the environment that we are Harare at large, how to get the church. Yes, we are being told by Jesus Christ that this work that we have done, that I have fed 5,000 people, that I have healed so many people, we have made commissioners here. Do you see that? People who can help us to do this very same mission that Jesus is to get it. But here's the thing that we are not just going to do what they did. We are going to do so much. So, in ending, as a charge to church, so as missionaries, I'm going to leave you right now with the, I don't know the English word for this, Kachichambi, Mbona. But as you go, as the Sabbath progresses, if you have a notebook, like the one that I have done, I write a question, what I ought to do for the Lord. And God, ask yourself, today, as you proceed the day, how are we going to help this environment? We are sent here as missionaries, not to get them from the tournament, but to make a difference. Because, this is very important now. Listen, because next week, you see that we are having a fourth Sabbath school here. Next week we'll be having a fourth Sabbath school in the community. So ask yourself, next week when I come, because we're going to come then we go in mission, you and the Bible.
Today is another day and I just wanna clean up my room a little bit, dust up some surfaces and just to make my room feel a little cleaner and neater. I know you can see that my room is a mess. So Kimby helped me sweep my room the other day and sure it's still clean because I never really go out. I never really leave my room and I also don't get visitors in my room, so I'm sure it's still okay. I spend most of my time in bed working on my laptop, so there's not much movement Right now, I just wanna pack and fold and pack a few things. That's the correct order. And wipe surfaces on my tables or desks and the door and anywhere else that can be wiped with water and soap and a towel. So let's do that.
I'll edit one of them that has opened. You can see that I was doing content editing of the manuscript that begins. Yes, once to read. Yes, if you downloaded. Which one are you reading? Gold Below.
I'd like to do a song for those of you who take LSD.
He's gonna go stand here and make it visible. Okay, I hope you guys can see me from where I'm standing. So, hey guys, I just got back from my very last lecture for this blog and for this particular module. And right now, the time is... Where is my other phone? Okay, the time is 12:35. So I want to go grab some lunch in the cafeteria, come back, rest, get back to the books at 2 to around 5 o'clock, and then get ready for dinner because dinner starts at 5:30 to 7. So I'm going to go to supper around 5:30, and then hopefully 6 o'clock I'll be back, do my night routine, whatever it is that I have to do, then get back to the books. Either 7 o'clock or 7:30. It really depends on how much time I take when I go to the cafeteria. So usually our lunch time is 12:30 to 2 o'clock, and then dinner is 5:30 to 7. So that gives me ample time to go eat, come back, rest a little, get back to the books, or do other things like editing and writing my book, or unwinding with some YouTube videos. So that's what I want to do, and I'll see you guys